Right, well, come down this evening just to see if I can get a few pigeons out of a Sitty Tree. I'm on a permission that I haven't been to in a good 6 months. It's actually my main ratting permission. Behind me here is a big scrap yard, and I thought, you know what, I'll come and see if I could target a couple of pigeons. I've had 2 already. I've been here 40 minutes and they both landed in the 2 trees that I pretty much guessed that they would go to. Nice clear big branches for them to land on, and I just thought if I position myself behind this trailer here, it should be enough cover for me that they won't see me if I don't move about too much. So it's too hot to get all my camo gear on. It really is blistering hot today, but luckily there's a bit of wind. Decided to go for the, as usual, Slug Specialist 29 grainers. Now, these little babies, assuming that, are outperforming everything for me. They really are sensational, well made. I mean, you get a pack of these, even just get a test pack and weigh them, and I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. And that's how I'm getting such nice consistency on my groups, because the slugs are in good quality, weigh the same, which makes a massive difference. I've got ultimate faith in these for the wind and long range. I mean, that group I did yesterday, 160 yards, wasn't too bad, and that really was hacking right to left wind. So yeah, fingers crossed we get a couple today, and if we do, I'll move over to a couple of rats later if I'm still here. But for now, I'm just going to enjoy the sunshine out here with the old trusty impact. If you can see it there, I come on the old tripod, but it's what I'm going to be using as always, and hopefully things pick up as it gets a little bit cooler. Pigeons start coming into roost, and should get some good footage for you. Cheers. That's a lovely shot. Just landed over here somewhere. Where did he go? There he is. To left. It's a lovely quick fire double, one at 53 and one at 85. Slug Specialist hitting hard. What an absolute devastating shot that was. Absolutely pile drived it. Jesus. It's another good one. Wow, that one hit hard. Absolutely pile drived in my fat tree. Hopefully I haven't scared too many off, because that was loud. You can just see that tree just over there. It's just bloody out camera, just there. So yeah. Oh, here's another. Oh, he's gone low. Yeah, that's another one. I think that's 4 now. Starting to get amongst them. keep them coming. "160 yards. And there's that. I've just hit just on the edge of that tree there, and I'm just going to keep trying to do the same. Too much wind. Rocking on a tripod doesn't help. No wind needed. There, hit the same bit. And again. And again. And again. Oh yeah, this is nice, off a tripod, not bad. Canting a bit. Oh. Wow, what a gun. "160 yards. Right guys, that's why I'm sat here. I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of the kit I'm using before we get started for the day. I'm using the Slug Specialist 217 29 grains. As usual, you see me bark on about these, so I won't go into too much detail about them. I've got a Vesta tripod, and this is attached to my FX Impact on the Saber tactical extended rail, the Arca Swiss attachment going straight on the bottom there. This can obviously run up and down as you like. I've got it pretty much at a nice balance point for the rifle at the moment. Moving up, I've got a 700cc all safe 300 bar bottle. More shot count obviously with it being bigger and the 300 bar. Moving up, I've got a Donny Sumo. Now I love this, my favourite in 2.2. Just goes match made in heaven, and it's something that I've got ultimate faith in. Good sound suppression, good harmonics, and it just works nicely. Moving down further, I've got the old ATN 4K. You know I use this a lot. I like to switch from day and night quite easily, and also the recording capabilities are brilliant. The best day-night scope out there in my opinion. Has got its bugs, does crash every now and again, but it is what it is with them. Turn it off and back on again, and it very rarely happens anyway. This one's a good one. Using some Eagle Vision Infinity mounts. I got these to start with purposely because I could raise the back up, obviously to give me more elevation, which was good with this scope because the reticle could sometimes be a bit too low on the screen and not get the range that you needed. But that's not necessary with this 20 MOA Saber Tactical TRS rail. Absolutely brilliant. And another good thing about this rail, not only has it got the M-lock where you can attach your bits like I have here. I've attached a Picatinny rail for my night vision torch, but it's also got the barrel clamp. This is held in with 2 Delrin screws, and my god, it holds it solid, doesn't move. You can change your mods on and off as you like, no loss of zero, and honestly I can't speak highly enough about this, and it's one of the best additions that I've put on this rifle. Moving down then, I've got the Saber Tactical Bad Grider. That comes into play when I'm shooting off the bipod and I just want to raise that back up, but to be honest with you, that's taken away now by the use of this Saber tactical book pad. This can move in and out as you please. It's got so many different features: length of pull, height travel, and then this bit which I normally have when I'm shooting, I have it about there, sorry, about there, just to snug into my shoulder a bit more. It's got some lovely rubber pads on the back, nice and comfy, just grips you as well, which helps. And then the monopod side of things, if you can just see, is this side. I don't know if you can see that very well from my camera skills, but that goes up and down lovely for minute adjustments when you're doing your bench work. That's about it, guys. All in all, one hell of a setup. And another nice little feature is this lovely bubble. It just keeps that cant off. It's a nice quick reference guide. So yeah, that's me. That's the setup. This is where I'm shooting today. Cheers.